Hello and welcome back. Today's session will be a companion video on Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is a very generic term, and there are variations of Surya Namaskar. There is Surya Namaskar A and B as used by the Ashtanga Yoga school, and there are other variations as well depending upon the school that you follow. Some of them are much easier versions, and there are more intense versions as well. So today we'll find and work on a Surya Namaskar variation that helps you get energized for the day to build strength and endurance and stamina over the long term. This is going to be a comfortable session. It's going to be a short session. Remember that Surya Namaskar is a set of about 12 postures. And each posture is alternating in either expansion, lengthening, or opening against the body being folding, closing, or contracting. When the body is expanding, opening, or lengthening, we remind ourselves to inhale versus when the body is collapsing, contracting, or folding, we naturally exhale. So very simple. And all of these postures are organized and sequenced in the alternate way. So you are going to be opening, and then you are going to be folding. You're going to be lengthening, and you're going to be contracting. That is going to be the nature of how we are going to be progressing. So join me on this. Before we start on that, so before we actually go through the Surya Namaskar, we will work on making sure that the body is prepared for it. Mentally, we may have thought, oh, I'm going to do Surya Namaskar and get on with it. But take your time to ensure that the body, the muscles, the connective tissue is activated, is mobilized, is warmed up for you to have a nice, strong, and healthy practice. So join me on this session here. So bring yourself towards the front of the mat, feet hip width apart, arms by your side, tailbone down. Knees are soft. Inhale, reach your arms up, palms touch. Exhale, empty, empty, empty. Slowly bring your arms gradually by your side. One more time. Inhale, reach arms up, palms touch. And exhale, empty, empty, empty. Float your arms gradually by your side. Stoking that fire within you. One more time. Inhale, reach arms up, palms touch. And exhale, empty, empty, empty. Going slow, deliberately starting slow, allowing every part of your body to feel active. One more time. Inhale, reach arms up, palms touch. And this time, slide that left arm forward, right arm back, rotate. Look past your right side. Inhale, reach arms up, palms touch. And to the other side, right arm forward, left arm back. Inhale, reach arms up, palms touch. And go back to the same thing, left arm forward, right arm back. Inhale, reach arms up, palms touch. The other side, right arm forward, left arm back. Going deliberately slow, becoming aware of every simple movement. Inhale, reach arms up, palms touch. And exhale, bring your arms gradually by your side. Good. Now we'll include the Half Sun Salute, beginning to work on the lower back and allowing ourselves to access through your hip crease. So learning to bend through the hip crease in itself is a great revelation. So let's get started towards that. Bring your feet hip width apart. Arms by your side. Inhale, reach arms up, palms touch. Exhale, lean forward. Keep that knee soft. Lengthen forward, not necessarily down. Go far beyond what you think is normal balance, but your legs should feel strong and active. Go ahead and come back up. And Arms by your side. Good. So that is preparing ourselves physically and mentally to what we are looking to execute going from there. So now we'll actually do the half sun salute. Inhale, reach arms up, palms touch. Exhale, lean forward. And then continue, journey yourself down, bending at your hips, fingertips down. Inhale, lift up halfway. Hands to your shins, hands to your hips, and come up to a nice upright stance. Good, nice work. One more time. Inhale, reach arms up. Exhale, lean forward. Keeping your head between your biceps and then continuing to draw yourself forward. Fold over, fingertips to the mat, toes, ankles, wherever they are today. Inhale, lift up halfway. Hands to your shins, hands to your hips, and come back up. Nice work. One more time. Half sun salute. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, lean forward and down. Inhale, lift up. Hands to your shins, horizontal spine, head up, and come back up to nice upright stance. Good. That is half sun salute. Now you choose to practice that. That's a great way to work on being upright and folding forward. Wonderful way to get the body all warm, the breath moving, the blood circulation flowing to the farthest corners of your body. Good. Now we'll work on the actual Surya Namaskar A. So we'll start with 3 sets. We'll do the 3 sets of the Surya Namaskar. We'll start this first one slow, then slowly pick up the pace as we progress along in this video. So bring yourself towards the front of the mat, feet hip width apart. Now inhale, reach arms up, palms touch. Exhale, lean forward and down. Fold over. Inhale, lift up halfway. Hands to your shins. And exhale, fold. With the next inhale, slide your right leg back, left leg back, top of a push-up plank pose. Spike your heels back, shoulder heads back, gaze is forward. This is the most intense posture in all of Surya Namaskar here. Go ahead and drop your knees, hips, belly, chest. Draw your elbows close to your side body. Lift up through your chest, flex your spine, shine your heart forward. Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Exhale all the way down, forehead to the mat. Curl your toes, straighten up 3 arms, press up to top of a push-up. Exhale, press back, downward facing dog. Head between your biceps. Relax the neck and shoulders. Good time to check in with your breathing. Lift up your head, step, walk or float towards the front of the mat. Inhale, half lift. And exhale, fold. Pressing evenly through both feet. Reach arms up, palms touch. Exhale, drop right to heart. Good. So this is the normal sequence where we have the plank all the way down, coming up into cobra, plank again, downward facing dog, and bringing the feet forward, folding over, reaching back up into Tadasana. So this can feet hip width apart. One more time. Join me. Inhale, reach arms up, palms touch. Exhale, lean forward and down. Inhale, lift up halfway. And exhale, fold. Slide your right leg back, left leg back, top of a push-up plank pose. Strong core, gaze forward, shoulder heads back. Drop your knees, hips, belly, chest. Inhale, lift up cobra. Hips down, elbows bent. Exhale all the way down, forehead to the mat. Curl your toes, straighten up through your arms. Press up to top of a push-up plank. Exhale, press back, downward facing dog. Feet hip width apart. Lift your hips high and back. The next inhale, lift up your head, step, walk or float. Inhale, half lift. And exhale, fold. Pressing evenly through both feet, reach arms up, palms touch. Exhale, drop right to your heart. Good. Round 2 completed. Notice the warmth that you are generating with this short sequence. That is the power of Surya Namaskar. It is the most efficient and effective ways to really harmonize and to harness the energies that you have, to making sure that the energies that you awaken last you for the entirety of your day, throughout the day. Same thing. One more time. Feet hip width apart. Inhale, reach arms up, palms touch. Exhale, lean forward and down. Fold over. Inhale, lift up halfway. And exhale, fold. Slide your right leg back, left leg back, top of a push-up plank pose. Spread your arms, spread your fingers, shoulder heads back, gaze is forward. Drop your knees, hips, belly, chest, forehead to the mat. Inhale, lift up cobra. Exhale all the way down, forehead to the mat. Curl your toes, straighten up through your arms, press up to top of a push-up. And exhale, press back, downward facing dog. Spread your feet wide. Lift your hips up and push them back in space. Lift up your head, step, walk or float. Inhale, half lift. And exhale, fold. Pressing evenly through both feet. Reach arms up, palms touch. Exhale, drop right to your heart. Nice work, guys. This is giving yourself a nice warm start, whether you are completing your day or beginning your day. This is a great way to find the latent energies that are present within the body, and using the power of breath, using the power of movement, and to making that energies usable for you. I hope you like this video. Hope you find this useful, and looking forward to meeting you again on another video. Until then, thank you so much.